Welcome to a new episode of the podcast Immigration Law. My name is lawyer Fabio Loscerbo. Today we are discussing a very important decision that addresses a recurring issue in administrative practice, the refusal of a residence permit based on a foreign national's criminal record. The reference is a judgment of the Regional Administrative Court for Emilia-Romagna, Bologna seat, First Section, General Register Number 3 of 2026, Collegiate Decisions Register Number 144 of 2026, published on 29th of January 2026 and decided in chambers on 28th of January 2026. With this ruling, the court annulled a decision of the Immigration Office denying the renewal of a residence permit. The core message of the judgment is clear. Criminal records cannot be treated as an automatic ground for refusing a residence permit. The administration is required to carry out an individual, concrete, and up-to-date assessment of the person's actual social dangerousness, taking into account the full personal situation of the applicant. In the case examined by the court, the refusal was found to be unlawfully motivated. The administrative decision failed to carry out a genuine balancing exercise between negative elements and favorable factors such as private and family life, employment history, and the process of social reintegration. In other words, the assessment was merely formal and not substantive. The court reaffirmed the correct application of Article 5, Paragraph 5 of Legislative Decree Number 286 of 25 July 1998, which requires the authorities to evaluate the foreign national's situation as a whole and to provide a reasoned, non-stereotypical justification. Criminal convictions may be relevant, but they can never justify an automatic refusal. The judgment therefore sends a clear message. In immigration law, administrative discretion is legitimate only if it is exercised in a concrete, proportionate, and properly reasoned manner. If you want to follow more real cases and practical developments in immigration law, keep listening to the podcast Immigration Law. See you in the next episode.